pick some siding.
Save the grass.
We're pulling more, like we laid it over there like extra, but once the driveway's poured, we'll be pulling some from over there. Well, you want to hold it the way it actually goes?
I don't know how.
You've got it upside down.
So what, this is the window?
So this is the aluminum for soffit and fascia. That's the gable siding.
Oh.
All right. I like those two colors, but this one needs to match the window or as close as possible.
I was gonna say.
So I don't know if this is the right color. I don't think it is.
I almost want like one shade lighter.
But this brown has too much like purple in it.
Yeah.
You know? It needs to be more, it needs more orange, more yellow.
Yeah.
What the hell is screaming?
Who's yelling? The level of hideous has improved.
Yeah, we built a gate and a patio and a staircase and a deck for someone to enter and get in with ease and steal all my shit.
Okay.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be okay. Time. There we go. Window. I installed it, letting light into the building. I was really hoping that the insulation was going to be completed over the holidays, because it's been friggin' minus 27 out. As you can see, they've done some of it, but there's a lot behind me that is not done. It's kind of hard to keep this place heated with just a little electric heater. We don't want to turn the furnace back on because we burn the furnace out. It's just running 24/7. We don't have insulation in the building. So it's like the guys that are doing the insulation don't want to work because it's cold, but it's not going to get any warmer in here if you guys don't insulate it. So that's where we're at. It's like pulling teeth trying to get people to work. But I'm here, siding guys here. They don't mind working outside in the cold. They work all winter long out there. Anything? Nothing? It's cold. It's cold. It's cold. Everybody's cold. gonna work super late tonight. I have to get out of here, get home, get cleaned up, and drive to Niagara Falls.
Ready?
Do it up,
Ready?
You ready to go? I'm here with Amanda Bow.
You know I'm gonna say no cell phones in videos, but
Yeah.
you're the exception.
I'm an exception. I'm exceptional.
You're
Okay.
something, all right.
Hello, Eastfire. Welcome to the Investor Summit.
Amanda's here for the weekend, but I gotta be back in Guelph this afternoon for inspections on the property. When you're having the plumbing rough-in inspection, pre-drywall, you have to pressure test it. Right now we've got a garden hose run upstairs and put in the top laundry drain, and we've plugged the lower portions of the drains with inflatable plugs. We're filling the entire drain system up with water. You can do that, or you can fill it up with air, and it has to be able to hold 5 PSI of air pressure. But I prefer the water method because if you have a leak, you'll see where that leak is. If you fill it up with air, you could have a leak anywhere and you're not really gonna know where it is. I'm just trying to get it all filled up so that when the inspector gets here, I can show him the drain up there that it's got standing water in it, and hopefully he passes everything.
This looks like a house now, no longer a renovation.
It's gorgeous.
I'm blown away how gorgeous that window looks as well.